Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel HVAC Official. HVAC Interview Question and Answers Part 1. Question number 1. 1 ton refrigeration capacity is equal to A. 18,000 BTU per hour, B. 12,000 BTU per hour, C. 15,000 BTU per hour. Answer is B. Question number 2. 100 degrees Celsius is equal to dash A. 212 degree Fahrenheit, B. 112 degree Fahrenheit, C. 240 degree Fahrenheit. Answer is A. Question number 3. Which type of compressor used piston for compression? A. Centrifugal, B. Reciprocating, C. Rotary. Answer is B. Question number 4. Which type of condenser used in large chiller units? A. Air cooled, B. Water cooled, C. Both. Answer is B. Water cooled. Question number 5. Mechanical refrigeration system is also known as dash A. Vapor absorption system, B. Vapor compression system. Answer is B. Question number 6. What is the function of VFD in inverter air conditioner? A. Motor run constant speed, B. Motor run variable speed. Answer is B. Question number 7. Which energy is used in vapor absorption machine? A. Heat energy, B. Mechanical energy. Answer is A. Question number 8. Which is not a part of vapor absorption system? A. Generator, B. Absorber, C. Compressor. Answer is C. Question number 9. Induced draft cooling tower is type of dash A. Natural draft cooling tower, B. Mechanical draft cooling tower. Answer is B. Question number 10. Which part is reject the heat of refrigerant in refrigeration system? A. Condenser, B. Expansion device, C. Compressor. Answer is A. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. हमारी वीडियो अगर आपको पसंद आई है तो उसको लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, शेयर करें और मेरे चैनल HVAC ऑफिशियल को सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू वेरी मच.